Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid and retinol together. Start by applying hyaluronic acid to slightly damp skin to lock in moisture. Wait briefly, then apply a low-concentration retinol to dry skin to reduce irritation, and seal with a gentle moisturizer. Use retinol at night and always apply SPF during the day to protect skin and support steady improvement over weeks. Begin with a gentle cleanser to avoid compromising the skin barrier, then pat skin so it remains slightly damp. Dispense hyaluronic acid and press it into damp areas to trap moisture. Wait a minute so it settles, then apply a pea-sized amount of retinol evenly, avoiding eyes and lips. Finish by applying a nourishing moisturizer to reduce potential dryness and support tolerance throughout the night. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfortable and quietly heroic after long skincare rituals. I find them a funny little luxury that pairs well with self-care routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start retinol slowly to build tolerance. Begin 1 or 2 nights a week and increase frequency as skin adapts. Opt for a lower concentration initially if you have sensitivity, and always pair retinol nights with hardy moisturizers or barrier repair products. If irritation appears, reduce application frequency or pause until calm, then resume more gradually. Consistent, gentle use typically yields steady improvement without unnecessary discomfort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.